Hi guys, today I'm doing a review of this set of 6 reading glasses. I got them in 6 different colors and each of them come with a pack carrying case, which I really like because when you put them in your purse, that way they can be safe and they don't scratch. Let me tell you a few things about the glasses and then I'll put them on to try them on and you can see how they look on my face. If you're constantly looking for reading glasses, this 6-pack might solve that problem. Let me show you why I like having so many pairs around the house. You get 6 pairs in different colors, which I really like. Instead of carrying the same pair everywhere, I like to keep one of them at my desk, one of them in my purse, one in the kitchen, and have extra in other places around the house. The frames have a nice square shape and I also like the side because they have flexibility and they don't feel too tight around my head. Let me show you how they look when I put them on. Green one, that's the one that I'm using today. I'm with a green outfit. That's the yellow one. The clear one I use the most because you can pair this with any color of your outfit. And this is the last one. When I'm trying to read a small print without any reading glasses, I have to work harder to focus. But when I put this on, the small text is much easier for me to read. I also love that the colors are completely different. I can choose a simple black or clear print. You go with one of the brighter colors depending on what I'm wearing. For me, the biggest advantage is simply having 6 pairs is that I don't have to keep moving one pair from one room to another or wondering where I left my glasses. If you're someone who needs reading glasses through the day, having several pairs in different places is really convenient.